Hey guys, it's Thomas here, and today I want to walk you through my Notion template for easy trip expense tracking called NomadWallet. And regarding any Notion template, I think like one of the most important things is simplicity. So I think the simpler the better, and a lot of templates that I see out there just become like too bloated and too complicated to use for anybody besides the person who has come up with the template. So this is an example of a very simple template, but at the same time very, I think, useful thing that I personally use anytime I travel, because I like to keep things organized and I like to know how much I am spending on my travels. And so that is why I came up with this simple system. So let me show you how it works, and it's really as simple as it gets. So there's literally one button that you can use to add a new expense. You can all, of course, call your trip something, but then adding new expense as simple as clicking one button, selecting a category. So let's say activity, selecting a date of the expenditure, then the expense itself, and you also select who paid for it. So this is really all you need to do to create a new expense. And within the template, it's really all in one page. And within the template, you can see, of course, the table of all the expenses that you have tracked, and then uh, everything else is generated automatically. So in the top, you can see a quick trip analysis, which shows you the total amount spent. If you if you put in a number of trip days, so that is the duration of your trip, what gets automatically calculated here is the money spent per day on average. And then you can see two charts. One is the breakdown of your total expenditure, broken down into the categories, and the other chart is expenditure broken down by person. So in this case, it's just me, so everything is added here to my name. But if you have multiple people participating on the trip, you will see them here. And that's really it. I mean, this is very simple, but I've used this template multiple times on my travels. As I said, I like to keep things organized. I like to know how much the trip has cost me. So this is all you need really to keep your travel a bit more organized and keep your costs under control. So thank you very much for checking this out. If you like the template, you can find the link to it in the description of the video. And happy travels, and see you in the next one. Have a great day.